You are going to love the 2023 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, front-wheel drive, trip computer, compass, clock, carpeted floor mats, day-night rear-view mirror, tachometer, outside temperature gauge. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.